Welcome to Citronelle High School, home of the Citronelle Center for Advanced Technology. The Academies of Citronelle High School are designed to inspire, challenge, and prepare students for a successful future. Our academy programs are the heart of our community, providing a rigorous and enriching education while also forming pipelines to successful careers. Here, students are encouraged to explore their passions, while collaborating with local businesses in the career field.
So the partnership with Citronelle has been tremendous for Articumpo Stainless. We have been in partnership now over 7 years. I wish I had the number of students that we have actually hired on. We have students that we have hired on and now in supervisory positions. So it has been very, very beneficial for us.
In our modern manufacturing class, students gain hands-on experience with state-of-the-art equipment, preparing them for high-demand careers in advanced manufacturing and engineering. Through hands-on learning and real-time troubleshooting, students develop critical problem-solving skills, giving them the confidence and expertise needed to tackle real-world challenges in their future careers. Collaboration and teamwork are at the heart of our programs, as students work together to achieve common goals, preparing them for success in both academic and professional environments. We emphasize the importance of learning processes, fostering growth through every challenge, and celebrating student success as they achieve their academic and career milestones.
It's been a great opportunity for us in the industry. We're a steel service provider, so we provide services to the steel industry. So we mainly do a lot of equipment operators, and we have specialized mechanics, diesel mechanics, and then welding. So when we found out about the program here at CHS, it was a great opportunity for us to come and see kids that are learning this trade even before they leave high school. Whereas opposed in the past, kids had to get out, spend a few years trying to find somebody to give them the opportunity, where for us this time now they've been exposed, so we can bring them straight in, let them get that real world experience while already having a little knowledge. So it's better for us and better for them for training purposes and them to be able to grow and develop in the workforce.
We develop a solid foundation in business and entrepreneurial skills, equipping students with the knowledge and creativity needed to launch successful ventures and excel in the business world. The Academies focus on building leadership skills, empowering students to take initiative, inspire others, and confidently navigate their future careers and communities. By developing strong pipelines to industry, our programs equip students with the skills and experience needed to secure high-wage, high-demand jobs in today's competitive workforce. Through hands-on training and real-world clinical experiences, students gain practical skills that prepare them for success in their chosen fields. At Citronelle High School, our academy programs are empowering students to realize their full potential and equipping them for long-term success. Explore how the Crimson and Gold Standard can impact your pathway to success. Visit our website to learn more and schedule a visit.